I'm Duncan Hawkins from Ericsson. I'm responsible for our private network sales organisation across Europe, Middle East and Africa. Ericsson's a global leader in what we call private 5G connectivity. Obviously, as a larger telecommunications and enterprise technology organisation. So we're working extensively in the oil and gas industry to help organisations connect more things that either haven't been connected in the past or connect them better. So it's about coverage and capacity, helping the digital transformation journey. This event is fantastic for meeting both the end customers, as we call them, so the gas organisations. There's great companies here like Shell, Aramco, Petronas, and you hear great thought leaders and both from engineering, business, sustainability perspectives, and then there's an incredible ecosystem of companies which make it all happen. For me, an event like this is actually meeting both parts of the organisation, or the ecosystem as it were, because nothing that happens today is done in isolation. So yeah, really great event. I've met new people, I've connected with old people, hugely valuable for us. I think I'll frame it a slightly different way. To address all the challenges and the opportunities in the industry at the moment, the word I've heard the most, and it'd be amazing if we had a count on which is the most common word said throughout all the presentations, but is data. And data fundamentally is something which is connectivity. So whether you are looking at the incredible progress being made in sustainability, whether you're looking at predictive maintenance, which is also linked to sustainability, because if you can reduce the emissions or the leakages, whatever it may be, you've got a better quality product, made more cost effectively, more sustainability. So then you've also got the, I guess, there's a lot of conversations around the modeling, AI is a buzz. None of that can happen without data. So I sort of bring it back to the purpose of Ericsson being here is we're the connectivity piece, we're the fabric that some people say in some of their presentations, which allows all of the other good things to be brought to life. I think probably the most challenging aspect I see of this is the industry is here today, and that is done on a lot of sort of goodwill, experimentation maybe, being resourceful is what's available. But I encourage everybody to think bigger, because there's so much more we can do. The more we can do, the more data we can get in, the more all of those sustainability, quality, productivity and safety things can be met. I have a bit of a bias on what can be done to improve and meet those goals, because again, I think of connectivity and data. We all get excited by drones, but it's also the sensors, it's the digital twin pieces, being able to map and simulate. So again, the more we can get eyes on something, get data points on things, the more we can make intelligent decisions, mitigate risks, and help achieve those goals. I think coming into the event, we knew there were some fantastic organisations here. And then arriving at the event, we became aware of many other organisations as well. And I think I talked about earlier, you've got the end customers, which is a real focus, but that's enablement through the partners. So meeting everybody together, I think hearing about how people have taken initial steps or maybe done more extensive deployments is great as well, but hearing it from the perspective of the end customer out in the field and the technology company and the challenges they've come together to achieve success. So yeah, it exceeds my expectations, I suppose, in terms of the people. It's quite an intimate, small event, which makes it very open and easy to network. Very, very easy-going kind of event to just explore, learn, understand.